In the previous series, we have discussed about the Lakshana or characteristics of Tarka and the classification of Tarka. In this series, we are going to discuss about the application of Anumana Pramana. Coming to application of Anumana Pramana. Pratyaksham hi alpam, analpam aprathyaksham means that which can be perceived with the help of our sense organs is very limited, and there are many other things that which cannot be perceived with our sense organs. The scope of apratyaksha is very wide, or that which cannot be perceived with our sense organs, is very wide. So in order to understand such things, Acharyas has told that we should use Anumana Pramana, Yukti, etc. The further clarification of Pratyaksha and Aptopdesha can be done only with the help of Anumana Pramana. Rasanendriya Grahyatva means sense of taste. This is only possible with the help of Anumana Pramana, and this cannot be sensed with the help of Pratyaksha. As we studied earlier, it was considered as a limitation of Pratyaksha. So it is very clear that sense of taste can be only inferred with the help of Anumana. Pratyaksha Jnana gives the knowledge of the present only, knowledge of that moment. But Anumana Pramana gives the knowledge of Trikala. As we have studied earlier, according to Charaka, there are three types of Anumana, that is Bhudakalika means past, Vartamanakalika present, Bhavishyakalika future. And you are knowing about all these types of Anumanas, and you have studied in detail in the previous sections. The perception of or the understanding of Ajnata, Avarna, Abhava, Padarthas, or such things, or such knowledges can be only understood with the help of Anumana Pramana. The Pratyaksha Grahya Vishayas can be also studied with the help of Anumana Pramana. But the vice versa is not possible. According to Darshanas, the creation of world has happened with the help of many hidden factors. These hidden factors can be assessed only with the help of Anumana Pramana, like God, Atma, Paramatma, Moksha, karma, karma phal, etc. These cannot be experienced with the help of pratyaksha. So, Anumana Pramana is the parameter for establishing qualitative true knowledge. So, Anumana Pramana has a great role in our daily life because of its wide range of applicability. Coming to an end of Anumana Pramana Series 7 Part 1, to be continued in Part 2.